just nice people.
How are you?
We are fine. Thank you for asking, amigo. Such a polite bird. Amigo here can count very well. Listen up. He'll count from 1 to 10. First, in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect 10. To top that off, he will be counting in another language. This time, listen as he counts in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, 很好. 很好 means very good in Mandarin. Thank you, amigo. Now, besides counting, amigo here can also sing very well. He'll be singing 3 songs for us. The first song is a local children's song that goes by the title 客人来. A guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you please sing for us? Sing in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸我在家，我的客人也端详，来日美呀。
客人来 by amigo. Word for word. Good job. Second song originates from Indonesia. Rasa sayang. Feelings of love. Oh, lots of Indonesians out there. Okay, listen up. Okay, amigo, can you please sing for us? Rasa sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, hayunan jauh, sayang.
Hey, well sung, amigo. I like that tune. Last but not least, an English song. Well, today is the 4th of May, right? Anyone's birthday happens to be today. Let me start with birthday. Happy birthday. Very good. Anyone else? Anyone else from the section? Your birthday too? Very good. How about the center? Wow, birthday. Birthday. So many people. Anybody else here? Okay, we have 5 already right here. Where? Mas? Oh, okay. Happy birthday. Anyone out there? Wow, so many hands. It's your birthday today. Wow, at least 7 or 8 people in the crowd celebrating your birthdays. But if it's your birthday, the next song goes out to you. Okay, listen up, everyone. Amigo, you know what to do?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, amigo. Wasn't that special? A parent singing your birthday song, and he has done a fantastic job this afternoon. He has to go now, though. Before you go, amigo, what must you say?
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye to you too. Amigo, everyone, our yellow-lipped Amazon parrot. You might be tempted to get a parrot like Amigo as a pet, but please do think twice because they need lots of time and commitment. Certain species are even known to outlive us. So do bear that in mind, alright? exercise routine. Once it's all set, he will be making a turn, flying very low above your head before landing on my head. Are you all set? Look at that. Wow, very nice flight, and here he comes. Well done, Baba! On this afternoon, we will take you all on a flight and journey to the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take action for all our feathered friends across the world. Right now, we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. And if you were here earlier on, you will have seen the trainers putting up some fruits and nuts right up there on those palm leaves. Let's welcome the birds right now. Everyone, look back there. Let's welcome Gaia, our high-steed macaw. Wow. You'll be joined by two more friends. Everyone, look back once again. Now these two red parrots, these are scarlet macaws, and macaws, they can be found in South America. Just look at Gaia and friend enjoying their fruits and nuts. Now what happens in the wild is that after feeding, the birds would then fly to rocky surfaces like these, for example. This is where they would lick up chalk or clay. Now this will help them with the digestion of the unripe palm fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Pretty smart, don't you think? Gaia is still enjoying his nut right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be his next stop. In the meantime, we have more birds joining us. Parrots are also known to gather fruits for their young, especially during the nesting season. These two parrots are going to have a little competition. People on my right, can you support Zonda? I need you to clap your hands and shout the parrot's name. Zonda, Zonda, Zonda. You have to be louder later on, okay? People on this side, you will support Barry. Barry is our green-winged macaw. So you clap, but of course you shout, Barry, Barry. Stop. Jonathan said, very good. Very good, keep up the good work. We're going to have 4 fruits each. A hollow tree trunk for the birds to collect the fruits in. Supporters ready to cheer? Trainers ready? On your marks, get set, go! Jonathan? He said it was very close. What do you want? Do you want one more match? That was really loud, Suen. Yes! One more match. How can I deny them? Alright. 4 fruits once again. Very good cheering. Keep it up. On your marks. Get set. Go! Engage our birds in fun activities, just like what they would. Wow! I think Vega deserves another round of applause. The second set from India, our sport Bill Pelican. And from Eastern Europe, we have 4 Dalmatian Pelicans. The ladies in pink, let's welcome our great flamingo! All 6 program. And now to Indonesia, where we have 5 Molotov competitions. Up there, everyone! And now South America for beautiful cars. Up
wish, please you stay. You are more than welcome to come down to the Pebble Watch to take photos of them. But we will be having our photography session with our young flamingos, and it is free of